Hello, friends. We have Goodnight, Daniel Tiger, written by Angela Santomero. It was a beautiful day in the neighborhood today, and now it is nighttime. Daniel Tiger needs to get ready for bed. Ding, 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 says Daniel. Tiggy wants to go for a trolley ride. Daniel wants to play, but it's time to get ready for bed. I know you want to play, Mom says as she snuggles with Daniel, but sleep is important so that you can grow. Do you remember what we do to get ready for bed? Daniel smiles and sings with Mom. Bath time, PJs, brush teeth, story and song, and off to bed. Ding ding! Hop aboard for a trolley ride to bath time, Dad says. Daniel laughs and takes a ride. Ding ding! Daniel wants to play, but it's time to get ready for bed. Daniel likes bath time. As he scrubs, he plays and sings. Scrub, 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 my fur up on top my head. Scrubby, 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 scrub. Soon it's time for bed. Daniel imagines he is on a boat sailing the soapy seas. He sings, sailing, sailing, sailing the soapy seas. Bring all your friends and come with me to sail the soapy seas. Daniel wants to play, but it's time to get ready for bed. Dad says, you need to go to sleep at bedtime so that your great big imagination can rest. I do have a lot of imagining I want to do tomorrow, Daniel says as Dad dries his fur. Daniel sings, bath time, PJs, brush teeth, story and song, and off to bed. Daniel has taken his bath, and now it's time for his favorite trolley PJs. Next stop on the trolley ride is brush your teeth, says Dad. Daniel takes his toothbrush and hops up to the sink. Daniel sings, I gotta brush my teeth at night if I want to keep them healthy and bright. I gotta brush my teeth. Daniel's teeth are all brushed. Let's take Tiggy for a ride on trolley, says Daniel. Ding, ding, ding. Daniel wants to play, but it's time to get ready for bed. Mom holds up Tiggy to her ear. Oh, I see, she says to Tiggy. Daniel stops playing and looks at Mom. What is she talking about with Tiggy? Tiggy wants to snuggle up in bed and hear a bedtime story, Mom explains. Daniel climbs up into bed. Let's read a bedtime story for Tiggy, he says. Daniel is getting sleepy. Daniel snuggles up with Mom as she reads a bedtime story. Reading a story with Mom makes Daniel feel comfy and cozy. Daniel is sleepy. Daniel does want to go to bed. Daniel quietly sings, bath time, PJs, brush teeth, story and song, and off to bed. Then he yawns a big, tired tiger yawn. Daniel does want to go to bed. Daniel is sleepy. Mom and Dad, can you sing me my goodnight song? Mom and Dad sing, good night, Daniel, good night. It's time to go to sleep, and when you awake, the sun will greet you with its bright and sunny face. Good night, Daniel, good night. Everyone in the neighborhood is going to sleep too. Good night, Miss Elena. Good night. Good night, Prince Wednesday. Good night. Good night, Katerina Kitty Cat. Good night. Good night, Oh the Owl. Good night. Good night, Daniel Tiger. Good night. And good night to you. Aga Maga. The end.